Tarsier was sitting up in a branch of the tree, minding its own business. Its teeny wee een were peering at its teeny wee fingers as it tried to nibble at a bit of fruit. Its great big bushy tail was gone up its back, keeping it fine and cosy. Van at eens, swooping down out of the left, come a Hullet, and then Hullet grabbed the Tarsier by the tail, and it lifted it up and up and up into the sky. Well, the poor wee monkey was terrified, and its een got bigger and bigger and bigger. If farer awa it good for the grun. Its heart was beating, and it was just feared as feared could be. Well, they were high above the tree tops, when all of a sudden the Tarsier felt it slip. It was slipping through the beak of the Hullet, and as the tail come slipping through, so the beak stripped off all the furry bits of the poor Tarsier's tail, and the poor monkey got plummeting down towards the grun. Well, it put out its hands and managed to just hang on to a branch of a tree as it got clattering down through the foliage. Well, the weight of the poor beast was pulling and pulling and pulling and pulling, and the fingers of the monkey got longer and longer, and its een got bigger and bigger with the scare of it all. And in the hinner end, this wee Tarsier ended up with een as big as saucers, long, long fingers, and a bare naked tail. And that's the story of who the Tarsier come to be the way it is a day.